Hi, it's Morgan with WTI.
I really, really love this glass food container set from Urban Green. It is so useful, practical, and so cute. I'm really, really obsessed with this. They are spill proof, leak proof. I mean, look at that airtight lid really doing its job. That gumbo, it is awesome. I love how they're stackable because I don't have a lot of storage space in my kitchen, so this is kind of a necessity. And I just really love the different sizes here. We have 20, 39, and 65 ounces. So I like to use them for a lot of different things. And they are just so beautiful with these lids. This is the white sand color. And I just think it looks so good. It's so easy to put on and get that airtight seal with the little valve as well for releasing the air. It's great. They are so cute. You can see here how you get that good seal. You can close it right up and then you are good to go. You can stack them in your refrigerator and it also looks cute. It came packaged really, really well. I was really impressed. And you know that you are going to get a quality item here that is going to come really, really nicely packaged so that you do not have to worry. They are just ready to go. And look at that. It's so pretty. And I'm definitely going to use these for many years to come. I love them so much.
I love these glass containers, and that's my point of view.